Hello everyone. So never in the history of my channel have I done a flip and drag. And not because I can't, I just never thought about it. So, let's get something out of my paint here. So I'm going to try it on this 11 by 14 canvas. I'm just putting a little WD-40 in my cup so it releases the paint. And here we go. We're going to do some blues because I like blue. So this blue is navy blue by Craftsmart. I'm going to go in with that first in my cup. And these all have silicone in them, except for the turquoise that I will put in from my squeeze bottle. And these also have GAC in them, because I'm trying my best for more cells. So some sky blue here from Creative Inspirations. I mixed a lot of the sky blue as to use as a background on some of my upcoming paintings, and then I saw that someone else did as well, so I didn't want her to think that I was copying her, so I'm not using it just yet. But when you can get those big bottles of Creative Inspirations, they make all different colors. It's good to be able to use those for backgrounds, especially blue. But yeah, so I'm just putting in a layer of the Lucas Curl Turquoise. That's what I just put in. And then I'm telling you the colors as I go. I put in neon green below that. And on top of this, I'm going to go back in with this navy. They're all pretty fluid with the GAC, because it was like a 1-to-1 ratio. So they are kind of mixing. So let me go in with some of this Color Shift Yellow, and this shifts to orange, which I'm curious about. Blue and orange, as I've shown, does go together. So, and then I'm going to go back and top with some sky blue. Worst case scenario is that I have too much paint and we have to spread it out. Which actually I think I do, but I'm not going to even give this a stir. I'm just going to flip it right here. And if it goes off the edge like that, that's fine. It's my fault for having it so full. But I have a lot of blues, greens, and yellows now, so anybody feeling tropical? Because those are tropical colors. And I think that's what I'm going to end up doing here. So let me see where we're at. Okay. Another thing I have not tried, and I could, but I think I'd rather not right now, is the wings, where you lift up one end and you put the wings down it. I think instead I'm just going to do what I said, do a flip and drag. I mean, maybe I've done a flip and drag if I'm releasing some paint and moving it around. If that's the flip and drag, then I've done it. I'm just trying to release it slowly so I can get across my painting, right? And take it there, and then just bring some back, filling in the spaces without getting it muddy. Whew. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work out. I think I'm gonna have to stretch it. Well, I'm gonna stretch it a little bit, then maybe I can use my airbrush, which is really what I wanted to do. airbrush the whole thing. And take that white off that end. Bring it back here. Bring some of these colors down to this side, over that sky blue. And bring it back towards the middle. That looks good. I like it. All right, let me get my airbrush, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I have my airbrush, and we're going to feather this out a little bit. I am disappointed to not see any cells, considering, well, I see a few. I did put Tredma silicone in it, so we'll see. Just feather this out so gently. Really like this yellow. I think I see some cells starting, which makes me happy. So I'm going to feather out on both sides, and then I'm going to go in for what I'm going to call fine feathering, or finer airbrushing. I'm digging this neon green off over here too. I think it's because I'm right-handed. I can't really do this left-handed very well. And I got paint on my cord. Let me just wipe that off. So I'm going to come at this from a different angle. I think it's all about the way you angle it. And I'm going to get this paint out of my way. Still so thick. She could just get the top layer only. Top layer only, please. There's so many different ways to hold this thing. I am not left-handed, but I'm going to try it out. I think I will be more careful since I'm not left-handed. Sorry, you have to hear the motor going on and off. I do like it from this angle. Let me see what you're all seeing through the camera there. I do like that it's thicker as it comes down. pretty much digging it. Just take this out a little further here. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just looking for composition because I would like it to be somewhat even. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just taking it out a little bit more on this side. And I see some cells coming up, so yay. Let's torch this a minute. And that green and yellow, I'm really digging that. And I do like that sky blue that I was going to use as a background, so I might use it as a background on something else here in a minute. Because I have a lot left. I have a whole quart or two left. I don't know. Let's see. This is times where I wish I was live and I could get people's opinions. I'd love to try and blow out some of this yellow and green, but I'm afraid that that would cause issues. So let me pause this and take you down for a look. Okay, y'all, so let's pull back. This is the oval from my angle. Down at the bottom is a little wider, and you see it gets narrow as it goes up. I really like that yellow flash down there and that neon green. Wish there was some more on the right than there is, but it's okay. I think this is pretty cool. I'm pleased. So shout out to Christina Welch for doing the flip and drag and showing me how to do it. Her airbrushing is much better because she has much more practice. So I think I'm going to do another one right now. So thank you all for watching. Go ahead and click subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified of next time I upload a video. And go ahead and smash that like button if you like this video. And then comment if you feel like it. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm so happy. I think this looks really good. Alright, see y'all later.